Yet another reason you might find your keys sticking, like this one, would be because the key is bent. Now, this will generally happen when typewriter's been sitting out, maybe some kids came around and smashed all the keys together, and it could bend some keys one way, some the other way, especially if they've been sitting like that for a long time. Now this one, all the other keys are working except for this. Now, how I'll tell which direction it was bent is there is a tiny bit of play in here, and you can see it's moving to the left and it's resting on the right. That means my key, when it's striking, is bent too far this way, and I can actually feel it kind of slapping this piece right here. So very, very gently, you're gonna want to put a little bit of pressure on it and try it again. Seems like it's a little better, but still sticking. And remember, these type bars are a real pain to switch out. So if you do break one of these, it's gonna be a lot of time and effort. Not to mention you're gonna have to find the exact bar to get, because these all sit at the right angle. Each one of them has their own angle set at, and this could be a real pain to change out. So being delicate with it, and as you can see, bent back into the proper space here and moving freely. I'm just going to give it a tap here, and see there's still a tiny bit of play this way. And now you should have about the same amount of play in either direction when you're holding that and it's sitting completely centered. And that's how you know that it's bent and how to fix it.